Good day, Your Excellency.
Now, waste. I can see that you are in a new dimensions. And you want to fight the bonds. I don't understand.
Mr. President,
Eh?
you're not taking this COVID-19 thing serious. You didn't hear that Ajimobi has died. I don't want to lose my life. My children are still in school.
Who are Jimobi? Who he? Who is the boys?
Sir, ex-governor now that we put as the chairman to replace Oshomole. How can you forget things like this now?
He had died. Oh, sorry. May I was so rest in peace.
Ha.
Eh? What's that? Is it not if you see somebody that died? Is it not if you see member?
He is, sir.
So you want to respect him. So, what's the latest about
Okay, I don't like the way you do things, so.
What?
With all due respect, sir. With all due respect. Sir, Obaseki told me that he wants to see you before he makes his decision whether to switch from APC to PDP. And he came to see you. You didn't convince him not to switch to PDP.
Waste. Is he never light? Is he never light that we just go there? Fear. You switch off, switch on. I did not see him. He said he wants to come out confidential in me, so that I can give me a motherly advice, so that he will know the next step to take in his official life. It did not come to me. I wasted my time. I did not see him. So yeah.
Okay, he's not in PDP. He's not in PDP.
Waste. Somebody that talk against the FDP. The FDP are old fatty. That they are fatty or lawlessness. They are fatty or fully corruption. So he now go to the place.
Okay, he's very shameless. Okay, you're talking about him. What about the PDP? So a couple of months ago, they were accusing Obaseki of stealing all the money. And now they shamelessly allowed him into their party.
You see, somebody that is full of corruption. Somebody money allocation to him. The citizens of those states are not beneficiary. They are not beneficiary from the money. Somebody
okay, but even you did not say this one before when he was in our party now.
Is it not our members? We say things at their appropriate time. This is the appropriate time to say it. The money the federal government allocation to him, no member or the citizen of Edo State enjoy small thing for him. No everything he promise before they give him power. Not. Even there I heard that somebody stole ballon bonds to allow me and enters. It's now we are supposed to probe him.
Okay, you know how we do the elections.
Yes.
You know how we do it.
Yes, that's how we do it. That's how we roll. You understand? But this year, if they do absence, how can they accept somebody that lifestyle is corruption?
Okay, because PDP is a corrupt party.
Yes.
They are full of corruption.
Yes.
We are the only party that don't do corruption.
At all. We sent him away because we already know that he's a corruption man.
Yes.
We know before even he enter, we know him that time.
Okay.
Very hard.
Okay, but why did we allow him to do this now? It's not good for the party. Why did Oshomole see now? Oshomole that is no longer the national chairman. How? Why did he now allow Obaseki? Now we have lost one governor.
You see.
Okay, we have to do everything in our power to make sure Obaseki does not win.
Let me tell you something. You don't know the rudiment of the problem. You remember that they are not fair in politics. No family members, no brothers and sisters. You don't know the real problem. That is why there's a breaking leakages between Osho and Obaseki. Because the first time you did not have that picture where two of them are eating corn. Hey, that is why you see it is not every somebody is corn with is a conference. You understand? It's not every somebody is corn with corn, eat corn, dry corn or fried corn or coastal corn. It's your friendship, conference. You understand? It's a wise it's a wise, people are wise. Now, do you want to move to another party? Do you want to be removed from the party? See where they come, they eat together and let them to. And that one that the boys see people. Don't join people and eat corn on the road up everywhere. It's not good. Be mature. Do everything sincerity of the heart.
Mr. President, this is not the matter of corn or no corn. What are we going to do? Because the party is falling apart.
See,
the man was supposed to put as national chairman now. They say he's dead. What are we going to do?
We have a lot. Have somebody in mind. If from the north, it will come
of course.
It will come and take over because all the people are there. They don't know what to do.
Okay, what about Tinubu? Jagaban?
You see them boys. Do you know the meaning of Jagaban?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Jagaban means collection. The time before the election.
So in 2015?
Thank you. 2005. 2005 election. That time I go to Isa to visit him.
In Bodilon?
Bodilon. If you see what my eyes see, I cannot be talking. Because I never be putting in power.
So you were humble and you played
I'm a humble man. You know, very humble. With my station.
Okay, what did you
I
see?
saw, if you see the man, money. Oh, I be see money real life before. Money in Ghana goes.
Okay, but why did you now agree to run under him if you know he's corrupt? You know you're a principled man.
Because I want to enter. You have to follow, because to gain power, you have to follow a strong way, unnecessary way that is not fair. That's how you want to enter. When you now enter, you now stand on your fist.
Okay, how can you follow a way that is not pure? And you now say you want to purify the way, when the engine that brought you to power is not pure.
That is why you have to wash the engine after you have entered the power. Because that period, there was no power, there was no water, no soap to buy and wash it. Now you have the capacities, you have the statistics, now you have the power enthusiasm, you have the atrocity power to control everything. Now I have the power. That's why I am here to complain to you so that you will understand.
That's why you cannot pick Tinubu.
Don't worry, I know my plan. Relax yourself.
Okay, what are we going to do about Obaseki so that he does not win the election?
Obaseki, he have got to fight full on corruption. We will probe him. We will put him to jail. Somebody that is in jail, will you vote for somebody like that? No full style. We will probe him. But we will call MCC, NDLA, because he drug a lot too. You see, to do. Don't say I telling. Don't say that. I tell me somebody. Yeah, it's a secret cost. Yeah, don't shout.
So we are going to probe him.
Oh, what are you thinking? What we do before?
No, but you know he's an incumbent governor. He has immunity.
Immunity for his blood. That blood will remove it. Don't worry. If you leave immunity, how many minutes he remain for him to leave the throne? How many minutes?
No long, sir.
What are you not saying? A patient man is a patient dust. A patient man is sitting from the afar. Upstairs, small freaking like you cannot see it. So we have to waste patience till now we flank the probe. We go and bring all the things the federal government sent him to do that he did not do. Everything he promised to do during the election period, he did not do it. We use it to probe him. That's the sense. It's a corruption man, we know it. Arrived from Adam and Eve. You know it. Right from Adam and Eve. That's where you are being a corruption man. I heard that Eze Elogbi, or what's his name? Eze Mamamu.
He was a PDP member before. Now he has come to join us.
You see now.
He was corrupt before. Now he's no longer corrupt.
You see, when somebody see the light, darkness, he should just run and enter.
He was a corrupt man before.
Yes.
Now
he had left a corruption place and come to where the lighthouse. Now let me tell you something. You see that man. before, but we have to warn him. We have to warn him very well because the last time election, the man have mouth. He can abuse every somebody in the government or AFC. Oh, the man, what is that thing I did not talk about my government, about AFC? What did he abuse us everywhere? We have to warn him. You have to warn him.
I will warn him.
Warn him very well. So now tell him things that Fidi did not do, things that he knew and things that he did not know.
Yes.
It should be using against them now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it's time for him to work.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Even if anybody go from tomorrow now, he might leave the party and go to, but let's put something inside his life so that he will work for us well. He will talk good about us before you are talking bad. I know you come and say, I am a small fikin, no, a small fikin, I doing me, it's Fidi spirit of Colossians, you mention me. I know you will say that, but no problem. We acception him because it's a man. They say, who is a new, somebody is a new creation. Old thing and fast away. That's why it's old thing and fast away. But we will use the old thing of Obaseki to probe him. His old thing cannot fast away. But this one that come to AFC, everything has become new. It's now a new man, collection free. That's how it is.
Okay, let me run and go and give him.
Please, warn me, more. Warn me. Tell him to go and see. Hope he has certificates conflict. Even if he doesn't have, it does not mean we know the way we do it in our party. We are very nice family.
Let me
yes,
go, sir.
Like me, yes. Even you, what do you have?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah, you don't have anything. Only thing to do is to work according to your name.
Yes, sir.
Like Muhammad.
Thank you, sir.
You are doing well.
Thank you, sir.
You are doing well. Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.